Hello, Mr. President. As polite and humble as you hear it. Why? Because I came from a shithole country that taught me respect. A shithole country that taught me morals. Where technology wasn't the prime part of our philosophy, but thank God, because I probably wouldn't have known how to search the definition of respect in an actual dictionary. Perhaps that's part of the problem. We are in the 21st century, you may say. However, if the internet fails, so does that Harvard grad class of 2018. I'm sorry, Miss Harris, but your son has been diagnosed with chronic brain failure. Intelligence was not knowing how to scroll up and down an iPad by the age of 2. Or learning how to log on to YouTube every day perfectly, and missing a clip would be a disappointment to my parents. But remembering lectures by heart, night by night, before reciting it to my professor in the morning, so when the books are shut, my knowledge is engraved to my brain, not in Google search. The shithole country has taught me to salute the poorest person on the side of the road the same as the rich. How to wash a pile of dishes in steaming water. How to wash my clothes without blemish using my bare hands by the age of 6. That shithole country has taught me how to prepare a meal using ippies. You won't know nothing about that because salt and pepper could never top that. How to properly iron my uniform with the creases perfectly aligned before school. That same shithole country where men are not afraid of hard labor, growing their crops and bringing fresh, non-genetically modified food home to their families. The definition of socialism was not streaming live on Instagram or Facebook, socializing with people who can't even feel my emotion. It was sitting down on a Saturday night, eating fritai and playing Lago. I don't have AIDS, but I have something better. Maybe that's part of the issue. It's called common sense. To understand that racism is ignorance, just an excuse to dehumanize people. God knew what he was doing, so why are you trying to be better than him? Listen, Mr. President, I'm not here to bash America, for it is a great country. I just want you to put some respect on minds. Diversity is what makes America great. So please explain to me how you're going to make a country great again that never lost its greatness. The day I was born, I proudly signed a consent to be perfectly Haitian, and I will not apologize for it, nor will I tolerate your inconsiderate statement about my motherland. No offense, Mr. President, but I don't think you realize that if every immigrant went back to their countries, that America will be in a big shithole. Haiti is the pearl of the Gentiles. That's something you can't take away from us. The first black republic nation. And you can never shit on us. Eat that.